beautiful here, but it's always something for you to watch out there, you know, in the tropics.
Actually, the tropics are not too bad at all. Take a look. What you see in the top right of the screen is what's left of Tropical Storm Nadine. Yep, she's still there, 50-mile-an-hour winds right near the Azores. And the National Hurricane Center is looking at this yellow circle here in the center of the Atlantic, a non-tropical low. They're kind of afraid it might become tropical if it can drift to the west. Nothing for us to worry about. It's almost north of Bermuda, so we're not worried about that at all. But we'll watch it as we go through the next couple of days. Look at the precipitation across Florida off the Carolina coast. Nothing happening across here, just the clouds that we have across here. Clouds that brought us some interesting pictures. Calvin Coe had this picture in Hinesville earlier this evening. Yes, there were clouds that started to break up later in the evening. With this picture that was taken, it's just absolutely a gorgeous sunset tonight. If you've got pics, we'd love to see them. Pics at WTOC.com. So pull out your iPhone. We'll start with partly cloudy skies and mostly cloudy 8 o'clock, becoming mostly sunny. We'll warm up from the mid-60s up to the upper 70s by the time we get to lunchtime. And here's the real battle that we're going to see for the next couple of days. Warm, moist air offshore, drier, cooler air farther inland. And we're kind of the battleground between the two areas with little pulses of moisture trying to work their way inland. That will bring us some clouds, but it shouldn't bring us any rain before the next storm system comes along. In the meantime, this big blue H takes over. That's beautiful high pressure, lower humidities with the battle just offshore, and here comes that next front. This will race through probably late night Sunday night, maybe a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Next tide, high tide coming right up at 11:26, low tide 5:49 in the morning, 7:12 for your sunrise. Moderate risk of rip currents, northeast winds at 10 to 15 knots and seas at 3 to 4 feet. So the first alert Doppler Max 11 forecast for tonight, a very pleasant evening into a very pleasant night. Northeasterly breeze, 65 should be the overnight low, up to 84 tomorrow with partly cloudy skies. 66 tomorrow night, 85 on Friday, 86 on Saturday, and all sunshine. Sunday, more partly sunny to mostly cloudy. There's that chance of showers or thunderstorms overnight, and after that, temperatures cool back to the lower 80s with overnight lows in the 60s. Not bad at all, and lots of fun things to do. You'll have to sprinkle your lawn because things are going to be dry for the next couple of days. Oh, and don't forget what's coming up Friday evening. A night for Casa at the B&D Burgers location on the south side. This is to help our friend Jamie Ertl, our morning traffic reporter. They've extended their happy hour, and all of the weather peeps, she calls us. I'm not sure I'm comfortable with that.
You're a peep.
I'm a peep. We'll be serving burgers, and we'd like to have you come out and join us. And Ertl says, and if they can't come out Friday, tell them to vote.
That's right.
Which is a good idea. Follow us on Twitter.
Cause.
Oh, great. Big John Weather is the Twitter address.
All right. Thanks, John.
Sure.
Well, it's